Hi everybody, so this is section 5.3 and it's proving to be a little problematic because of decimal place requirements. So I trust you can read the problem. We have the setup here, and then let's talk about the null and the alternative. So it's the null and the alternative, remember, are talking about the population. So we're going to be looking about the null of all American households would respond to the survey as the same when offered a monetary incentive or not. Alternative, the proportion of all Americans. Up here it's talking about the sample. So we want the proportion of all Americans, not the proportion of samples. The sample we use to try and hopefully make or have implications towards the population. So the theory-based applet. So let me click on the theory-based applet. I'm going to go here. What I did was, in this area, I filled in the table that we had in the previous screen, and I used respond yes and respond no, monetary and no money incentive. And I remembered to click use table. So we have respond yes, respond no when there's money, and then respond yes, respond no when there's no money. And then we got our p hat, which is right here. That is our p hat difference. Okay, so that's our statistic. But that is not our standardized statistic. Our standardized statistic is a z-score, and in the instructions it says using the theory-based inference applet. Okay, so I'm back over here and I'm trying to get the theory-based, which is right there. Okay. So remember, you have to click on the overlay to get the normal, and then our theory-based p-value is 0.0005. So 3 zeros and a 5. So I click over here. Oops. I missed the 5 there. Oh. Okay. Now, that's the standardized statistic. That's the p-value. Now, reading through this, complete the statement about the conclusion. Because the standardized statistic is, and you've got to play with this to make sure that it fits, but you have more than or less than. So we know we're going to go more than, because we're out in the tails, more than 2 standard deviations away from the mean. And the p-value is less than 0.05. We have strong evidence that the proportion of all American households that would respond to the survey is, and we have greater than, or greater when, or the same whether. So it's greater when offered money, a monetary incentive, than when not offered a monetary incentive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to say finish attempt. I'm going to say submit and finish, and we're just going to check and see, did we get them all correct? And we did. Okay, I'll make 3 more.